As wildfire season continues tonight, state leaders, including our governor, spoke today about how the state is combating the fires. Fox 25's Emma McAndrews was there, and she joins us now live from the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management. So, Emma, what did Governor Stitt have to say?
Well, Wendy, Governor Stitt said that the state's response has never been better, and he credits this to a collaboration of multiple state agencies and departments. However, Oklahoma still does not have a state forester, and when I asked the governor about this, he said that they may not even need one. Nearly a year ago, Governor Kevin Stitt fired Forestry Services Director Mark Goeller after massive wildfires raged across Oklahoma, destroying hundreds of homes in Stitt's own ranch north of Luther.
We had a horrible wildfire in the state of Oklahoma, and didn't think they did a really good job.
Fast forward to last week, more than 180,000 acres have burned throughout Oklahoma. And today in a press conference, the governor says Oklahoma's response has never been better.
No houses destroyed. We had a few barns and some outbuildings, no loss of life. So really proud of Forestry Department, to Highway Patrol.
The governor says this is due to collaboration of multiple agencies, including the Oklahoma National Guard, Oklahoma Highway Patrol, and Oklahoma Forestry, even though that department has not had a director for over a year.
Sorry?
Why have we gone a year without one?
Well, I'd be glad to address that. We want to ensure that it's the right person.
I'd argue maybe we don't need one. They've done a great job this whole year, and we've saved the taxpayer whatever the person's salary was.
Although the state says they are actively recruiting for that position, no candidates have been announced. However, in the absence, officials say they feel ready.
We feel prepared, and that's a different feeling than maybe we've had in previous times.
Now, one big announcement came from Blaine Arthur, the Secretary of the Oklahoma Department of Agriculture, who says $16 million will be going to ranchers across all 77 counties through the Emergency Drought Committee. Reporting live at the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management, Emma McAndrews, Fox 25 News.